Hi guys, welcome back to DivineTimesTwo. Hope you are doing well, keeping yourself positive, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a fresh and tasty orange and coconut fruity frosted sheet cake. This cake is easy to make and the results are delightful. I'm excited to show you how to make this wonderful cake, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. Let's begin by buttering a 9x13 baking dish. Also, make sure to turn on the oven and preheat it at 350 degrees. Place the greased 9x13 baking dish to the side. Beat 3 eggs in a large bowl. To the beaten eggs, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. Next, I am going to add ½ cup melted butter. Add the fruit and the liquid from a 15-ounce can of fruit cocktail to the egg mixture. Let's add a box of Duncan Hines Perfectly Moist Orange Supreme Cake Mix. Yes, I'm using a cake mix in a box. And this is 15.25 ounces. This is the shortcut I'm using. Add it to the bowl. Mix for 2 minutes. It's nice and fluffy and thick. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. It smells like sweet oranges. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut flakes. This is unsweetened. You may use sweetened coconut flakes, but I'm using unsweetened. And I am going to fold the coconut flakes into the batter. It's time to add it to the greased baking dish. Try to even it out as best as possible. You may use a spatula like I am using, or the back of a spoon. I think that looks as even as possible. Now the oven is almost at 350 degrees. It is still preheating. So I am going to put this in the oven when it's already heated to 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The cake baked for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Now let's check for doneness. Insert it in the center. Okay, a little crumbs, but it's not wet. Okay. This cake is done. Now I am going to leave it on the wire rack for 30 minutes or until it is completely cooled. And then we are going to make a frosting for it. Before we make the frosting for the cake, let's toast 2 cups of unsweetened shredded coconut. This is the shredded coconut I am using. Spread it around. And I am going to put it in an oven at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes, or until the coconut is nice and toasted. Mix occasionally and watch the coconut so it won't burn. The coconut has been toasting for 5 minutes. Mix well, place back in the oven for 5 more minutes, and remember to keep an eye on it. Shredded coconut burns very easily. Okay, took it out again, mixing it. It's almost done. 2 more minutes. The coconut is nice and toasty. It took about 12 minutes to toast the coconut. Now I'm going to transfer the toasted coconut to a bowl because I don't want it to continue toasting on the tray. Now that the coconut is toasted, let's begin making the frosting for the cake. Finally, we're making the frosting. Now, in a large bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. One-third cup confectioner's sugar. And 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix this until soft peaks form. It is now at the soft peak stage. Now to this, I am going to add a box. This is 3.4 ounces of instant pudding and pie filling vanilla flavored. Okay, now I'm going to mix this. Now, when the frosting begins to come together, stop and scrape down the sides. Make sure that the pudding mix is not at the bottom of the bowl and it's not mixing with the heavy whipping cream. Another few seconds of mixing and this is done. You don't want to mix it too much. If not, it will turn into a pudding consistency instead of a frosting. Okay, this is perfect. Now, let's frost the cake. This orange and coconut fruity frosted cake is so good. It's light, fresh, fruity, and with summer here, this cake would go great after a hearty barbecue meal or after a picnic in the park. Let us know in the comments if you make this cake or will be making it. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please do, so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.